Something fun is that I have my check engine light on. That's because of one of my O2 sensors just went out. And also I need fuel. Let's go to the gas station and fill up. Ready, guys? This is my dilemma with this car. Every time I fill up, check this out. Boom! It just stops right there, just before the fuel line. And then after a little bit of driving, it fixes itself, and sometimes it doesn't. It just stays there until I actually move into that spot, which is kind of weird. I have to check that out before I start working on the differential and see if I can weld it today. I need to do an easy oil change on the car right now. I'm overdue 200 miles already, so it's time to do that oil change. So I already finished doing the oil change on the car. I bought this welder diff. I actually didn't have the time to record, just because the phone was dead and stuff like that, so that's how I record my videos. Other than that, I already drained all the oil, cleaned out all the oil residue that was left over, and torched it a bit. That way I make sure that it dried completely out and it is ready for welding. So let's see if I get it done today, and hopefully by next weekend this diff will go into the car. As of now, it just might just sit here inside the garage, since we have other priorities. This differential we have to finish and install in the truck.